Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year! New makeup, new goals. This year is gonna be an amazing year. So fresh and exciting. I love the new year. What are your New Year resolutions? I got a whole list. Does it look similar than my last year's resolutions? Kind of, but I have a few more. Because this year I feel like I learned a lot about myself, what I need to work on. I've been like checking in with myself more, meditating and all that. Positive energy. Did you guys have a New Year's kiss? In the nude year, my goal is to be comfortable in the nude and get to the gym. Which today actually I did some power yoga and it was like a full class. I'm going to LA on Monday for 4 days to go hang with my sister and cousin. Just have a nice little getaway.
Sophia, what are you wearing?
Beauty, health, wealth,
love.
Yeah. Do a little bit more dating this year, I guess. I haven't really cared to get out there, but maybe this year I'll try that a little bit more too. And just gonna be, just try and be a little bit more friendlier, I guess.
Bitch.
Screw you. Thank you. Next.
What was your biggest regret of 2018?
My biggest regret of 2018 has to be like a thing that happened or just an overall
Just
energy?
answer the question.
Maybe just wasting my time on dumb guys.
Thank you.
Next, thank you. Next. Yeah, wasting my time on stupid guys, I guess. This is the year of the Sophia.
And what do you want this year more than anything?
What? This year, what I want more than anything is to be very successful. Blah, blah, blah. Meditating, going to the gym, keeping a steady routine. Writing in my journal when I wake up. I have like a 5-minute journal thing where I write 3 things I'm grateful for.
Read us this
Reading
morning.
books. I didn't do it this morning. I actually had a really good, I got a lot of stuff done today. I feel really good.
Okay.
Got my nails done. I went to yoga.
But not your roots.
Okay, if you guys are wondering what's going on with this root situation, I'm actually like trying to balayage, grow it out, sort of. It's not that bad, is it?
I don't know.
I'm generally good with all my exes. I don't have any enemy exes, do you?
All my exes hate me and don't talk to me.
Ah! What about you guys? Do you talk to your exes or?
Block, delete, unsubscribe, unfollow.
Unsubscribe, unfollow.
Mute.
Mute. What else can you do? Do you believe in blocking? Oh yes I do, and I believe in a little unsubscribe and a mute blocking. This hair just makes me feel so fabulous. Like I'm like the Naomi Campbell kind of when she does the catwalk and then she like, except I'm not hot and skinny and a famous model.
Or have a British accent.
Is she? Oh yeah, she does have a British accent.
Yeah, she talks like this, darling. Something you'll never know. Final look.
Meow. This is my nephew Leo. He's such a sweetie. He's allowed to go to my house now. We weren't allowed pets in the building, but starting January 1st we are. So we're gonna have lots of sleepovers and I can babysit my nephew.
Go on, Leo, come on.
Switchy.
Up here. Up, come on. Up.
So I feel like my look is very kind of like nude, bringing in the nude year, you know what I mean? If I have scratches on my chest, it's because it'll
No
have
one
claws
wants to hear
there for 10
excuses,
minutes.
so can you just
You know
cover
what?
it
You
up?
shut your mouth.
Oh.
My skin is very sensitive. My boobs are really big because I'm 15 pounds overweight. The holidays really got to me, but nothing tastes better than skinny feels. Well, they haven't been with my family and our food because it's exquisite. Today I'm doing a fun look. It's kind of basic to be honest, but can't go wrong. I had lots of fun doing it. If you want to see how I got this look, stay tuned. Oh, me oh my. Make me beautiful. This just won't do. Alright, I'm gonna start off with some serum for my skin, some hydration. Next I'm gonna go in with the primer. Okay, it's pretty thick. That's what he said. Okay, this is thick.
It looks
different. Looks like what? What?
Jizz.
Ew.
What is it?
It's a primer.
Oh, okay.
Like
So it's
you put on
moisturizer? Actually, your skin looks surprisingly matte.
Yeah, it's a mattifying primer.
Oh,
literally.
okay. I'm like, it just went from
Okay, well,
shiny
we know it works.
to matte.
Okay, so I'm unsure. I don't even know if this is gonna match my skin. It's one of those like cushiony, it has like a sponge. So I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna match, but let's just give it a shot. Huh. It's kind of neat.
Beat the face, girl. Beat the face.
Beat your face.
Give us the
Okay, the coverage is good, but I don't like this. Okay, this isn't the best, which is common for makeup brands. Like the thing that it comes with usually isn't that good. So I'm gonna go in with a different brush.
Yeah, the pop pad won't do.
Okay, I'm gonna go in with this brush instead because the pad that it came with isn't gonna do. But so far the coverage looks pretty good.
Okay. I mean, so far your skin looks alright.
It's a base. Like
yeah.
I have a palette, clean palette. Okay, let's move on then and I'll do the concealer.
Thank you.
Next.
Yeah.
Thank you. Okay, now that I have a palette, a clean palette, I think I'm gonna go in with the concealer. And I'm gonna be using KKW Conceal in number 5. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with the KKW brush here. And just gonna blend that out. Okay, so I guess I'll go in and bake now.
Let's get baked.
Okay, so this is number 2. Oh, I like to bake under my contour too a little bit. I don't bake as hard as most people do though. Like I just do like a light powder underneath. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the finishing powder, the Brighten, which is number 2. Nice and bright. I'm just gonna let that sit for a while and I'll go on to my eyes in the meantime. So for the eyes, I have this pineapple Tarte kit. I'm just going with the shade Adil. I'm gonna use the shade Serum for the crease. Is that gentle or not?
No, it's bossy.
That's what I am.
Boss bitch.
I'm bossy. I'm gonna go in with this green shade called Kawaii. Yeah, it's not reading as green as we thought it would. Yeah, it's like a khaki color almost. So next I'm gonna go in with like a gold shade called Rum Runner.
It's nice.
It's alright, I guess. Just feel like nothing is standing in.
Yeah, it's very natural looking.
Okay, So for this eyeliner, I'm gonna actually paint it on myself with this clay paint liner. It comes with a brush. So this is gonna like shoot out at me. That's so lucky because it did shoot out. Can you get me a napkin?
Oh my god.
Okay, that's not good. I'm fucking around.
Oh no.
Pressure. Pressure.
Don't fuck it up. Pressure. Pressure.
I'm not gonna be able to do this. This is so hard to use.
Well, it's actually better, isn't it?
Yeah.
For that part.
Yeah, not bad. Stop making me laugh. Fuck. Okay, like it's nice to use the cat eye, but like it's getting everywhere. It's just messy.
Go wash your hands.
Okay, so I'm gonna do some inner corner liner as well. And I'm gonna add a little mascara. Lights, camera, lashes. I hope everyone has had a great new year so far.
Oh, do you?
The weather is so balls here in Vancouver. I always find January to be kind of like a shitty refresh month.
It's like the Monday month.
It's the Monday month. It's so true. What do you guys think? Is January a Monday month or a fresh new start month? Comment your thoughts in the comments below. Okay. I'm gonna go with the lashes now, and these are called Sassy by Tarte. These are faux mink lashes. Tarte is an all vegan brand. Wow, no wonder they called it Sassy.
Oh no! Oh, do they? There's one lash on.
Go away!
One lash off. Can you imagine? Are you afraid?
No? What?
Poking your eye out?
I've done this since grade 7, sweetie.
Really?
As I said that, I squeezed my eye. I literally never do. Like,
Sorry,
it's
I
legit.
jinxed.
It's always fine, but you death's jinxed me. My eye's crying now. Pretty lashes though.
You're crying.
Fuck off.
Do you need a tissue? Sweetie, it's okay.
No, I know. Appreciate your goofing around in the Glam lab.
It's not glam, and it's not beauty.
You're not Glam or beauty.
I know, I'm trash.
Ah! At least you know it.
These are quite the lash.
They're absolutely fabulous.
These are like a full production.
Sassy lashy.
Say that again.
Sassy lashy.
Say it 5 times.
Sassy lashy, sassy lashy, sassy lashy, sassy lashy, sassy lashy, sassy lashy. Alright.
Oh.
Those little lashes. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this contour color. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit like warm to be a contour color, but that's okay.
Why contour should be ashy?
Contour should be like kind of a cool ashy color, and then you put bronzer on top of contour. But A lot of the times I would just use my bronzer to just like...
This looks like bronzer to me.
I know, right?
Yeah. Like you could just do this as a bronzer.
Speaking of bronzer, I'm gonna give my chest... Nobody cares, I'm gonna actually...
Looks like a cat scratched your neck.
I know. You're the cat. If you're wondering who the cat is that scratched me, he's right over here. It's very Ariana Grande of you. Cat ears.
Thank you. Next we have...
Where's the palette? Just a lighter color to kind of just go over the lighter spots, yeah?
So you're using the dark on the sides?
Yep. Just define that contour. Alright, and then for the blush, going back to this pineapple kit, first going with the peachy color for the apples. And the dark to just put it all together. So I'm just gonna go back with Kim's brightening powder and just go under my eyes again to make sure there was no eyeshadow fallout. Okay. Actually I need to put mascara on my lower lash. Going to LA on Monday. Booked it.
Ooh.
Monday night to Friday night.
We're gonna do some dating?
Ew, no, I'm gonna go do some eating. Just kidding. No, I'm gonna work out and just like hang
Their
out
gym
with my
there
sister
is
and
so
yeah, like
good.
enjoy. Okay, so I'm gonna do the lips next. First I'll start with the lip liner and I'm gonna use this Laura Mercier in the shade Natural Lips. Lips is my favorite part.
The lips.
Anyway, okay, I got a good enough lining. So this, I've never tried this color before. It's by that Kiss New York and it's the shade Kill. Super cute nude. I'm gonna go in with this highlighting palette. Okay, I'm going in with the brows. So this is warm medium brown. Skinny little stick. Has a brush on one side and a pencil on the other side. Okay. Y'all subscribe. Y'all subscribe. Look at him. Where is he? Don't move.
Oh my god. Well, it's kind of like a go-to look, you know?
I know, it is kind of a go-to.
Like it's a go-to, it's a good look. It's just not like, oh my gosh.
I know, right?
She really showed us something
I need
new.
more tan, I think.
It's not even that. It's just like I would have liked bigger hair, but I guess this is the appropriate hair for the look.
Yeah. What should we name it? New Year Nudes. Yeah, that's the name. Nude Year. Nude Year. Happy Nude Year.
Happy Nude Year?
Yes,
Okay.
that's perfect.